In the world of renovations, this is just one of those instances where a small change has a large impact. Jeep overhauled the Wrangler's iconic 7-bar grille, making it smaller sized each time when going bigger is in vogue. It's still large enough for those 7 slots to look fit as well as proper, yet it's clearly much thinner. The ports are black across the board, save for the Wrangler Sahara, and also they are designed to improve engine air conditioning. The brand new grille additionally makes room for a factory-installed 8,000-pound Warn winch, which is now available on Rubicon versions. In addition to the brand new grille, Jeep provides a plethora of brand new manufacturing facility wheel options, varying from 17-inch rims all the way to 20s. Depending on the package, those wheels can put on tires as much as 35 inches. There are additionally brand new leading choices for both tough and also soft roof coverings, including a Sky's one-touch powertop. As well as for wind-resistant performance, there's a new windshield-integrated stealth antenna. Those are obvious changes on the outside, yet vehicle driver as well as guests will certainly likewise observe something within. There's now a 12.3-inch facility touchscreen that's conventional problem for all Wrangler trim levels. Its positioning needed abandoning the round environment control vents in the middle of the dash. Small rectangle-shaped vents currently blow hot or amazing air from beneath the screen. You'll still find rounded vents at the edges, etc. of the interior remains the very same. Visually speaking, anyhow. Functioning behind the scenes is the current Uconnect 5 system, bringing all kinds of linked solutions to the Wrangler. Among them is the first factory-available Trails off-road digital overview that has countless popular off-road routes constructed into the infotainment system. These guides include California's Rubicon Path, Hex Vengeance at Moab, as well as many others that are part of the 62 Jeep Badge of Honor tracks. The guides appear on the center display screen and can point out essential trail waypoints, attributes of passion, as well as path trouble. And also for those that desire even more overviews, a cost subscription opens up a directory of over 3,000 trails.